Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to claim and use Pandabuy points. So let's get into the video. So firstly, let's look at how to claim Pandabuy points. So go to pandabuy.com and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so if you're planning to claim some points, so the best thing to do to get more points is just use Pandabuy for your purchase. So make a shop or to shop for something and then send it, and then once it reaches your warehouse, send it to your place. So you need to ship something from your warehouse. So when you make an order in Pandabuy, and then once it reaches your warehouse here, okay, so ship it, and then from your warehouse ship it to your place, and then you will once the shipping is completed, and you will receive points, Pandabuy points. So this is one of the easiest way how you can get your Pandabuy points, simply by just using Pandabuy for your purchase and getting the shipping done. And once you got the Pandabuy points, how you can use it is, if you go to this page here, so if you go to cnfair.com, or if you google cnfair Pandabuy, so that your first result here, so it's just cnfair.com. Here you will see a lot of items here. So what you can do, you can use your points and then claim these items or purchase these items with using your points based on how many Pandabuy points you have. So for example, let's say, if I'm looking up for these, probably these shoes here, okay, so probably these shoes here, so I'll just click on that. So these shoes here. So now what you can do, you can plug in all your type in all your requirements, the size and all those requirements, and then what you can do, simply click on the copy redeem code. So click on copy redeem code, and then when you get to your Pandabuy account here, so under user central, if you click on your profile on your top right, under user central, you'll see an option called my points. If you scroll down on your left, so click on my points, and here you will see all your available Pandabuy points. Mine is 0 because I don't have any points. So you simply have to do is just click on Pandabuy points redeem, and then just paste the redeem code that you just copied from CNFA. So just copy that and then paste it here, and then click on redeem now. So now you can use your points and then purchase the item from Pandabuy. So that's how you can use the Pandabuy points. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.